In today's video, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be addressing a question that I have been getting a lot recently, and that is BYND slowly becoming the next AMC? Stick around, I'm going to give you my thoughts and insight on that. Also, I'm going to give you two penny stocks that you may want to look out for here tomorrow. And if you want to know my price prediction for BYND here tomorrow, just get over to my main YouTube channel, which is called Making Easy Money, and check out. Make sure you get over to my main YouTube channel, which is called Making Easy Money, and check out my latest BYND video. You will get my price prediction for Friday's trading. And also, ladies and gentlemen, I will pin this video at the end of this one so you can find it easily. And don't forget, I will be going live here Monday, 9 a.m. Central Time, giving you guys in real time alerts. So with that being said, let's dive right in.
If you are what you say you are, a superstar, then have no fear. The camera's here and the microphones, and they wanna know. Yeah.
With the huge spike in retail investor interest, a lot of people have been comparing BYND to the early stages of the AMC short squeeze era. Now, with that being said, they do have slight similarities, but a few of those similarities aren't good at all, with one of them being the burning of cash, just like AMC once were. But if we fast forward towards 2025, AMC is starting to slowly crawl its way out of that hole of debt. One of the most alarming similarities with BYND and AMC, and that is the increase in short sale interest. These last 2 days of trading, Wednesday and Tuesday, we have gotten a major increase in total short volume, and those short sale ratios has continued to pick up as well. Another noticeable thing, ladies and gentlemen, is the statistics. The share float versus the market cap ratio is pretty darn spot on when AMC first caught its glimpse of a short squeeze. But what makes BYND stands out is the CEO and the corporate actions that is currently being made. During the AMC short squeeze era, we were seeing the CEO continue to dilute the current shareholders, which put a major pause on AMC ultimately achieving a true short squeeze. And if you ask me, ladies and gentlemen, I do not think we will ever see anything like we did in the past with GME and AMC as far as retail investors coming together collectively for one cause. During that time, retail was at its peak, during a time where mask was mandatory and a lot of people were just staying at home and trading. Well, 2025, that isn't the case, but that isn't as bad as it may sound. During that time, ladies and gentlemen, there was a lot of other so-called meme stocks and short squeeze targets, which took a lot of retail investor interest away from AMC. 2025, it's not many of those stocks being considered a short squeeze target, so that can ultimately work in BYND's favor, and that's if retail can stick it out long enough. And how long, you may ask? Well, I answered that question over on my main YouTube channel in the latest BYND update. And like I said before, guys, you will get the price prediction for BYND in this video as well. It's pinned at the end of the video and at the top. Now let's cut to the chase. Is BYND really becoming the next AMC? I want to know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you ask me, ladies and gentlemen, I do not.
Well, damn, I wish you started with that point. Because that's all you had to say, Woody. Woody, that's all he had to say.
But I am starting to see a lot of retail investors side with BYND over AMC. And we can test that theory out in the comment section below. If you're a current BYND shareholder, comment the ticker symbol. Or if you're a current AMC shareholder, comment that ticker symbol. And if you hold both, comment the word both. I want to see if there is currently more BYND shareholders watching this channel over AMC. And just as promised, I will be giving you guys 2 penny stocks you do not want to overlook here tomorrow.
Tell them to bring me my money.
And with that first stock being VIVK. Now, I did alert this stock over in our Discord server here today for the entry price of only 31 cents, with that price target being 37 cents plus. We did actually reach and breach that PT, running as high as 41 cents. I do feel as though that this stock also has more room to run here tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen. We haven't gotten that short sale analysis just yet, but it does come in around 10 p.m. Central Time. So I will be updating everyone that's in the Discord on VIVK's likelihood of a short cover taking place here tomorrow. Next stock, WGRX. This was also alerted over in our Discord server back on October 21st for the entry price of only 37 cents, ladies and gentlemen. If you take a brief look and check out that price action, reaching as high as $1 here today. With that being said, I do feel as though that this stock has much more room to run here tomorrow, and I do feel as though that we're going to see a bullish pre-market for WGRX. And again, guys, if you haven't already, don't forget to consider joining our Discord server so you won't miss out on any of my alerts in real time. And may the gains be with you.